Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of the planet's most dangerous birds. Subscribe to the channel and come with us on this wild journey. Starting with the ivory bones, or cassowaries, native to Australia and New Guinea. With sharp claws and surprising running abilities, these birds are considered true survival machines. Let's find out why they are so feared. Cassowaries are known for their agility and speed, being able to run at considerable speed. Furthermore, they are excellent swimmers. However, cassowaries are also famous for their territorial behavior and, in certain circumstances, can be aggressive, especially if they feel threatened. They have sharp claws on their feet that can cause serious injuries, and it is important to exercise caution when dealing with these birds. Cassowaries' diet consists primarily of fruit, but they also consume insects, small vertebrates, and even carcasses. They are considered important seed dispersers in the forest, contributing to the maintenance of the ecosystem. In summary, cassowaries are fascinating birds with a unique mix of physical, behavioral and ecological characteristics. However, it is important to approach them with caution, respecting their wild nature and avoiding situations that could provoke aggressive behavior. Now, let's move on to ostriches, the giants of the bird kingdom. Despite their comical appearance, their powerful legs and sharp claws make them a formidable presence. Discover some fascinating details about these birds and why they also deserve to be highlighted on the list of the most dangerous. Adult ostriches are large birds, with an average height of 2.5 meters and weight varying between 90 and 130 kilograms. Males tend to be slightly larger than females. Ostriches are flightless birds. Their wings are small compared to their body size, making them unable to fly. However, their legs are powerful and adapted for running at high speeds. The diet of ostriches is varied and includes a predominantly herbivorous diet. They consume grasses, seeds, fruits, flowers, and even insects. They are also known to ingest small stones and sand, which help with digestion. Ostriches are fascinating creatures that have adapted their characteristics to survive in specific environments in Africa. Their uniqueness in the order of birds makes them a prominent species both in nature and in human interaction. Soaring into the skies, we encounter the majestic osprey. Known for its fishing skills, this bird of prey is also defensive when it comes to protecting its young. Let's explore the secrets that make it one of the most intriguing and dangerous birds. Ospreys are found in a wide variety of aquatic habitats throughout the world. They can be found in coastal regions, estuaries, lakes and rivers on all continents, except Antarctica. As the name suggests, the osprey specializes in hunting fish. It flies over the water, locates its prey and dives quickly, capturing fish with its sharp claws. Their legs have rough spurs that help them grip slippery fish. The osprey is a large and slender bird, with a wingspan that can reach 1.8 meters. Its plumage is predominantly brown above and white below, which helps with camouflage when fishing. Ospreys are often seen alone or in pairs. They build nests in high places, such as trees, cliffs or posts, usually near bodies of water. These birds are migratory in many regions, traveling long distances to escape harsh winters. The osprey is a fascinating creature, admired for its spectacular fishing abilities and its presence in aquatic environments around the world. finishing with the queen of birds of prey, the harpy. With imposing claws and an impressive wingspan, this bird dominates the forests. Discover with us why the harpy is considered one of the most fearsome and respected birds in nature. The harpy eagle, Harpia harpygia, is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, known for its impressive wingspan, strength and hunting abilities. Harpy eagles are found in tropical forests of Central and South America, including countries such as Mexico, Belize, Honduras, Colombia, Venezuela, Brazil, Peru, and parts of Bolivia. Harpies are large, with a wingspan of up to 2.5 meters. Females are larger than males, and adults can weigh between 6 and 9 kilograms. Harpies have a striking appearance, with predominantly black and white plumage. Its face is characterized by facial feathers that resemble a crown. The legs are robust and equipped with powerful claws, essential for capturing prey. Harpies prefer primary and secondary forest habitats where they can find an abundance of prey. They are especially associated with dense tropical forests. Harpies are specialized predators of arboreal mammals. Their main prey is often the capuchin monkey, but they can also capture sloths, cavies, armadillos and other arboreal creatures. Its ability to fly between trees is remarkable. Harpies are specialized predators of arboreal mammals. Their main prey is often the capuchin monkey, but they can also capture sloths, cavies, armadillos and other arboreal creatures. Its ability to fly between trees is remarkable. The harpy is considered one of the most majestic and emblematic eagles in Latin America. Their presence in tropical forests plays a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of these complex ecosystems. So guys, which of these most dangerous birds did you find most fascinating? Leave your comments, like the video, share with friends and, of course, subscribe for more wild content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until later.